Our society relies on fossil fuels, but with dwindling supplies, they might not always be around. Our challenge is to find an alternative source of renewable energy to reduce the dependence on fossil fuels. One source that is often overlooked is wave energy. As opposed to fossil fuels, wave energy is clean, limitless, and has minimal environmental impact. About 53% of America's population lives near the coast, meaning wave energy could provide power for thousands of homes.
These turbines work essentially in the same manner as a wind turbine, except they are mounted underwater. Because the energy generated by a turbine is proportional to the density of the fluid that spins the turbine, in a 4 to 5.5 mile per hour tide of water, a 15-meter diameter turbine would generate an equal amount of energy as a 60-meter wind turbine.
The Pelamis is larger in 4 30-meter sections, each of which are 3.5 meters wide. These attenuators are floating snakes that are oriented parallel to the wave. They bend as the height of the wave changes, which causes hydraulic pumps to pump pressurized fluid into either a motor or to pressurize water. It can generate about 300,000 megawatt hours per year. The cost of this is about 10 cents to 40 cents depending on the wave energy of the area. This is not yet competitive with coal power, but as technology increases, the availability for wave power also increases.
Contact with watercraft would need to be considered because devices would need to be placed far enough below the surface of the water to not affect water travel above, or they would need to be placed in areas where watercraft do not travel. The offshore devices would require navigation hazard warnings such as lights, sound signals, or radar reflectors, and some underwater noise would occur from devices with turbines or pumps or other moving parts. There's also the reduction in wave height. The impact on wave characteristics would only be observed about 1 to 2 kilometers away from the device in the direction of the wave. The marine habitats near these devices could be impacted positively or negatively. Artificial above-water objects could provide habitats for seals and sea lions or bird nesting areas. Underwater surfaces of these devices could provide substrates for many biological systems.
Even though wave energy could potentially provide an excellent alternative source of energy, it's not cost-effective enough to compete with fossil fuels. But we hope this innovative technology will soon become feasible.
Your castle, here is your crown, and they say, don't matter where you're from as long as you're here. Paradise was waiting